Hello. Okay, so on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redirect people from one specific website to another one. Okay, so we're going to go to my funnel number one. Okay, here I have my funnel, which works very basic. So I have my home page where I have an email marketing form. Okay, so I have the redirect. The first redirect will be for the confirm email, which letting them know that they have to go into the email so they can confirm the subscription to the list. Okay, after they go into the email, they're gonna click on my link, and it's gonna take them to a thank you page. Thank you for subscribing to my list. This funnel is very simple. I'm gonna show you very quick. Over here, I'm gonna go to my funnel URL. Okay, this is my first landing page. Okay, the confirm email. After they go here and enter the details, they will be taken into my confirm email. Okay, the confirm email will let them know they have to verify their email, and the next one, after they go into the email and click on the link, they will be taken to this thank you page. Okay, but I want to redirect to another website after they download the file. Okay, so this is very simple. We're gonna go into my thank you page, which is the last one for the funnel. So we're gonna go to settings. Okay, and we're gonna place this meta script, which I'm gonna copy it over here. I'm gonna pass it over here. Okay, I have to make sure that the URL will be where I'm gonna take them, where I want to forward them after they download the file. I cannot specify when they download the file, but I'm gonna pretend that after 5 seconds or after 10 seconds, they're gonna click on the bottom to download the free ebook that I'm giving them on the thank you page. Okay, but this is very simple. We're gonna go ahead and go into my Cheetah website where I have my funnel URL. If I click on it, okay, I have to make sure how to find my URL for the exclusive offer URL. This is very simple. We're gonna go to my Cheetah. You can see that if I edit this website, I have here the little URL for the website. So I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna go to my home page, which is this one, right? So I'm gonna add a slash and gonna put my URL over here. This is the URL that I'm gonna use and gonna forward them on the thank you page. Okay, so we're gonna go to my thank you page. I'm gonna go to settings and I'm gonna specify the URL here. I cannot choose like a page. You already have a page, but if I want to take them, I don't know, to Google, to a YouTube video, to anything, I can place the URL just here. So I have my exclusive offer. If you see here the content, I have a number 2. The number 2 is the amount of seconds that is going to take them to redirect. So I'm going to pretend that it will be 5 seconds after they go into my thank you page. 5 seconds will be after they will be redirected. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and save those changes. Okay, so let's try that out. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna go to my exclusive offer. I'm gonna erase that, and I'm gonna add, like, if I successfully done my funnel, let's wait the 5 seconds is supposed to take me to the thank you page. If you believe that 5 seconds is not enough for them to um to do the redirection, I'm gonna play 7 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna click on save. If the redirection is not working for you, you can go to the thank you page, because this is where I put the meta script. You can go to the editor. You can go here on the website, and you can go save the changes, because sometimes it doesn't propagate properly, or the changes you did on the settings are not saved. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure that everything is properly set up. I'm gonna click on save. You can see that everything was successful. It's done. So we're gonna go ahead again and let's try it out. So we're gonna go back to the thank you page, and let's wait 5 seconds or 7 seconds that I already placed there. Okay, so you can see 7 seconds was already enough for them to download my free ebook, and I'm gonna take them to this exclusive offer. So this bottom on my website, just put it on the super checkout page that is gonna take them to my offer. That is only exclusive for those who went into my funnel. Okay, this is very simple. I'm gonna share this URL on my YouTube channel so you can have access to this meta tag.